for the individuals who want sybaritic extravagance and a vivacious driving background in the same ultra-expensive motorcar, the Ghost Series 2 is your answer. In the engine bested by the Spirit of Ecstasy is a twin-turbo 6.6-liter V12 useful for 563 horsepower combined to a satellite-help gearbox, which utilizes GPS information to peruse the roadscape in front of you, foresee your driving needs, and move the transmission likewise. The inside gloats luxurious calfskin seating and liberally created wood facade. In case you're genuinely affluent, you're not going to your nearby Rolls-Royce dealership to purchase a Ghost, but instead a Phantom, at a value that begins simply above $400,000 however can require including the 7th digit. The Ghost, while still ludicrously costly at $291,350, is for the just rich. To better outline the distinction, we should reword humorist Chris Rock, LeBron James is rich, Cleveland Cavaliers proprietor Dan Gilbert, who signs James' paychecks, is affluent. Maybe perceiving that the Ghost's ride could utilize somewhat more BMW in it. Also, since the presentation of the Wraith, the Ghost's part as the driver's roller has been undermined, a firmer suspension setup is currently offered as an alternative on the standard wheelbase Ghost. While the retuned settings surely permit less posting than with the standard setup, the dynamic bundle is best distinguished from the driver's seat by the thicker directing wheel. Pitching the 5,600-pound Ghost into a corner still outcomes entire screeching understeer. Except for the transmission, whatever is left of the mechanical bundle continues, including the 563 horsepower, 6.6-liter twin-turbo V12. The SEER replaces the old ZF8 speed programmed with basically a similar transmission, yet now it's wired into the root framework so it can anticipate when to move, a setup that initially showed up on the Rolls and the Wraith. Moves in the Ghost were at that point a non-event, so it's difficult to tell whether this is honest-to-goodness innovation or a nebulous vision. What's undeniable is that the Ghost still drives like a Rolls-Royce, drifting along like a $100 charge got in a solid updraft.